I've got 30 seconds to make a game about my balls. I mean, just balls, you know?
I've never done this before. I have seen wild things, so I have a general idea.
The idea is that we got a ball that bounces up when we hit it. The goal is keep hitting and not missing the ball. Let's see what we got. It's pretty boring. Only my great-grandparents will enjoy this. I thought it would be better to let fate decide the theme of my game. After I got the theme, I started working on game design in Figma. Then I gently asked my friend to do the graphic design of the game. After that, I opened the project and added the background and the basketball ball. Then I worked on the physics of the ball to make it jump better. Then I added walls and trail effect because it feels good. Yes, I know, we need to add hoops. Okay, we do that. Now it's time to add the net. Actually, a hoop without net is like Beethoven plays piano at a hip-hop concert. For the net, close physics is great, so I searched in the internet and found this guy's source code. Great. For the next few hours, I worked on several stuff. First, I worked on the ball generation. They should be generated at the bottom of the screen. Then I added the scoring particles. Seems cool.
Cool, buddy!
What I did next is that I add a score, combo, and health. Now it's looking better. After many tests done by friends, I found that the game is still boring and needs improvement. So I thought I'd better have a target for the hoops. Whenever you reach the target, the hoop will go to another place. Another thing I added is unknown item. When the ball hits it, it gives something to the player. Something like bigger hoop or extra health. There are many things that I will add in new updates, but for now, I upload the game for you guys to test it and beat my highest score. Link is in the description. Let me know what you think about the game and my video in the comments. Thanks for watching, have fun.